was actually telling me that, oh, passive income is the process whereby you just put up a business and you go and sleep and it will be earning money, making money for you. And I'm thinking, no, that's not what passive income is. Passive income is the process whereby you have to put systems in place, you have to put in your resources, put in your time, put in your energy to start up this business or whatsoever you want to start, for it to kickstart, for it to start earning. Now, when the money starts coming in, that is when you will say it is passive. It doesn't mean that you haven't put in time, you haven't put in hard work, you haven't put in effort into it for that moment to happen. Let me say welcome back to my channel. If you have been here before, you're welcome. Your time is appreciated. If you haven't been here before and today is your very first time, thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video, and thank you. You're very much welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please do give me a subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So in today's video, I'll be talking about passive income. What are the ways that you can make money via passive income? Different passive income ideas out there that you can use to earn money. So passive income is not all about you going to sleep and making money, because initially you would have to put in effort, you put in hard work. Take for instance somebody who just started a YouTube channel. It takes a lot of hard work. You have to think about the content you would create, you have to do your research, you have to do the scripting, you have to shoot the video, do the editing, and so many things that goes into producing a YouTube video. Now, when that video starts earning, start making you money, that is when you will say it's passive income, but it doesn't mean that you hadn't put in any effort to it. Of course, you had put in a lot of effort to it. So many hours of work that you had put into it. Passive income is all about. Now, there are different ways that you can earn money via passive income. There are so many passive income ideas, but I'm just going to give you a few. Now, think about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a form of passive income whereby you would have to look for the affiliate program that you want to sign up with. Now you sign up with the affiliate program. But before you do that, you have to find out what actually is the niche that will work for you, depending upon. So let's say you've decided on your niche, you sign up with an affiliate program. It doesn't end there. You would have to go to their platform and look for products that you want to promote. Now you get the product, you copy the product link, you take it outside of the platform because you need to promote. When you promote, people see the product, they click on the product link and they buy, you get paid commission. Now, if somebody is saying, oh, that is passive income, but you would have to put in the work. Yeah, you would have to create content for you to promote that product. You would have to create pages like go to TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and so on, Pinterest as well. Create pages there, create content, promote the product, embed your link. So many times you actually have to write blogs for you to be able to promote your affiliate link. So all this that you had to put in place, you are not sleeping, you are putting in the hard work. So if anybody tells you passive income, you just sleep and money comes in. No, it doesn't work like that, you know. So affiliate marketing is one form of passive income idea that you can actually start to earn money upon. Now, another one is YouTube channel. Of course, we know that YouTube, if you put in the hard work, you get rewarded, right? So the hard work, you would have to start your YouTube channel and do the videos, which are not that easy, you know. You do the videos, do the editing, so many hours you have to put into it. And then when the money starts coming in, it becomes passive income. But that doesn't mean you haven't done the homework. It doesn't mean you haven't put in the energy, the time, the resources, and everything, you know. So that one, again, is the second form of passive income that you can start up to earn money. Now, another one is Airbnb, that's real estate. Real estate, Airbnb is the avenue whereby you're into real estate, but you don't own real estate, if that makes sense what I said. Yeah, Airbnb, you are into real estate, but you don't have any, you don't own any. So that is passive income as well. You put in the hard work, do what you need to do, and the money will start rolling in. So another form of passive income that you can actually start to earn money, you use to earn money, is learning digital skills. Now, another form that you can actually use to earn money is what is called, if you're able to produce digital products like digital courses, or these online courses. Online courses will earn you money as passive income. Those online courses, when people buy them, they are making money as passive income. But the very thing that we need to understand here is that passive income doesn't necessarily mean you're not putting in any work. No, you have put in the hard work and now you're relaxing, and the hard work you have put in is yielding money, is yielding revenue for you. Like, the second idea for passive income would be for you to write an ebook. Yeah. So when you write an ebook, just like creating an online course, you find out that it takes your time, it takes resource. You're going to put in resource as well. And now by the time you put in time, put in resource and everything, and you put the ebook together, at some point it will start yielding, it will start bringing in revenue, it will start bringing in income for you. So that income that is bringing at that point is the passive income. But does it mean? So another form of passive income is taking pictures and selling them online. Like, this is a very good idea of passive income for those people who are who love to take photographs, for those people who love to photograph nature or any form of photograph for that matter that interests you. You can think of using those pictures or putting up those pictures to earn money as passive income. Of passive income that you can actually access as well, there's what is called peer-to-peer lending. Yeah, so that is passive income as well. So many people do it, more especially people that are into full-time work. So let me quickly see, if you haven't subscribed, please give me a subscribe. So, how many of us are thought of dividend stocks? Yeah, so stocks, you can go to banks and buy stocks. There are stocks of so many companies. They put out their stocks and they want to sell and all that. So if you happen to buy a stock of a company, that stock that you had bought would be a passive income. So that brings me to the next passive income idea, and that is creating app. You know, like you go to App Store, you see so many apps there. Those apps were created by people, and for them, that is a passive income for them. I have parking spaces. Have you ever thought that you can actually use that parking space as passive income? Do you know that that parking space that you've left there lying low and wasting and not earning anything for you could actually be turned into a passive income business? Yeah. So there are people that got parking spaces, and what are they doing? They are turning them into passive income. It's making and yielding money for them. So if you have one of those parking spaces that you're not using, you know, you can actually turn it to become a passive income venture for you. So another passive income idea is sponsored posts on social media. You know, there are so many people on social media, they have huge following, they have huge engagement on their platforms, and people contact them to post ads for them. Yeah, so if you have a huge channel, a huge following, like on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and all that, some people can actually contact you and say, oh, could you help me put up this advert? How much do you charge? Now you tell them how much you're going to charge them. That is passive income. You know, passive income idea is renting your home. Like, there are people that live in, say, 4-bedroom house, and they don't need that space. Lot of rooms in the house. So what do? They sublet. They rent out. Some do rent to rent. They rent a place, have an agreement with the landlord or landlady, and they are in the agreement. They tell the landlord or landlady that they're going to sublet part of the house. And if they reached a good agreement, that can be done. So that room they've subletted turns out to become a source of passive income for them. Yeah, and if it's your own house and you have a lot of space, lots of rooms in your house that you're not making use of, have you ever thought of renting it out to use it and get passive income? That is what people are doing, guys, you know. And there's another idea, another passive income idea is advertising on your car. You can actually put an advert on your car to say, that car is available to advertise people's businesses and craft and all that. People can actually see that advert on your car and contact you to place an advert for them on your car. Yeah, so your car basically will turn to a billboard. Why not? If you want to make money by the side as passive income, why not? You know, so many people, they do this, they turn their trucks to adverts, to billboards, they use it to advertise for people, and they end creating a blog or creating a YouTube channel. To create a blog now with AI, with ChatGPT, you find out that it's not difficult. All you need to do, you go to ChatGPT or you go to Google and get the trending topic of the day, and take it to ChatGPT to rewrite it, ask ChatGPT for ideas and all that. Then you go to a platform like medium.com, you create a page there, sign up with them, then you write your article, your blog there. So when you write your blog, it's another avenue for you to add your affiliate link, which is also another means of passive income. So the blog you're writing, you're making passive income, people will contact you for adverts and all that, and you're also making money via passive income, via affiliate marketing as well, because you'll be sharing your affiliate links via your blogs. And when people click on the links and buy, you get paid commission, which is passive income. So another means of passive income is you can actually rent out household items that you have. Yeah, you might have some probably cooking, all these big cooking pots that you use, but you find out that you don't use them every time. It might be something that you just bought for seasonal stuff like Christmas or any seasonal occasion like that. You bring them out, use them to cook, but after that period you don't use them no more. So why not think of renting them out to people who would need them, who want to use them before the time you use those household equipment. If somebody is a painter, a designer, and they want to sell those things online, you would have to do the work, you would have to paint, you would have to invest money, finance into it, because the materials you're going to use to do all those painting and all those designs, you would have to buy them. So that is resource you're putting into it, and that is time you're putting into it, you're putting energy into it. So when people tell you that with passive income you don't need to put anything into it, it's not true. It's just that you are not fully involved all the time. You put things in place and then you step back and enjoy the passive income that comes in. That's why it's called passive. The income is coming in the background. Interesting one, which is buying a local business. If for instance somebody has a coffee shop and the person wants to sell the coffee shop and you decide to buy it. So when you buy the coffee shop, there are already people there running the shop. You're buying the coffee shop, probably you're taking on the staffs and everything they have in there. So you're spending money to buy the coffee shop, but you are not the one that will be running it 24/7, because you already have people running the coffee shop and you took them on as well, you see. So that coffee shop will be bringing in income while you're not hands-on onto that business. So that is passive income. So buying a business, a local business, is the same as you can also buy a blog. Like somebody who has a successful blog that have been going and doing well, they might decide to sell that blog and you might decide to buy it. So when you buy the blog, it will be making money for you passively in the background. But did you spend money to buy the blog? Yes, you did. So the money you spent, you've added something, you put something into that before you start getting the passive income out of it. That's basically what it's all about. So this is another good idea for passive income. That is worth looking into. So guys, that is it for today. I hope all the passive income ideas I've stated here, you're gonna give it a go. Let me know in the comment section, which one are you going to try? Which one are you going to give a go? Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next. If you haven't subscribed, please do give me a subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Once again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next.